Welcome to Wood Burning University. This is a developing community and learning hub for wood burning artists of all levels. Our goal is to provide a supportive space where you can enhance your skills and creativity. We offer a diverse array of tutorials and educational materials tailored to your preferred learning style available in our Learning Center. One of the cornerstones of Wood Burning University is our extensive library of pattern projects, which are copyright-free and open for commercial use. This means that once you have crafted your wood burning artwork based on our patterns, you are free to sell your project if you wish. Our patterns are categorized by difficulty level, making it easy for you to find the ideal project that matches your abilities. Additionally, some patterns come with the option of using color, and you can easily locate them using our on-screen filter. Make sure to take advantage of our other resources such as our free materials, blog, and FAQ section for additional information and guidance. We hope to see you learning at Wood Burning U.